Hi everyone, welcome to International Ghost Tech Reality Studio. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to design a web page using HTML. HTML is an acronym for Hypertext Markup Language, and that's what we are going to use in designing this our page. First of all, you need to get yourself a text editor. My text editor is open already. If you don't have, go online and download one. They have some for free version, or you buy the registered one. That's by the way. Then after that, you create a folder. Go to your document, create a folder. This folder will carry all your materials for the web page. My web page. Open it. Create another folder that will carry all the images you will use in designing the site. Name it images. Then you create another folder for your CSS. CSS is of three types. We have the internal, we have the inland, and we have the external. And it's of hierarchical order. The internal is more superior, followed by the inland and the external. So in this case, I'm going to use external CSS. That's why I'm creating a folder for it, because all my external style will be inside this folder. Then you create another folder for your JavaScript, name it JS. Then you open your image folder. This is where all the images you'll be using to design the page will be. So you look for an image to put inside this folder. You can see that the folder is empty. So what I will do now is to get an image or a logo. I will go here. I have an image here. So I will copy it. Either use the shortcut Ctrl+C or you use your right click button. You copy, come to your document, your folder, the image folder, then paste using Ctrl+P or making use of your right click button to paste. Is there? Is GhostTech-L. Is a PNG extension. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. You can see it here. Then we'll go back to our text editor. What I need to do now is to pull down folder into this my text editor. Then you go to project, add folder to project, then look for it. Is it my document? I'll go to my document, then take my web page. This is the folder I'm looking for. My web page, which has my CSS, under it, my images, and my JavaScript. All of them are being pulled together with this folder. So you click OK, and this is it. My CSS, there is nothing in it. My image, I have only one image. My JavaScript, nothing in it there. So I will save my page, because this is a new page now. I will go here, save. Make sure you are saving it inside that folder you created. This is my document. Then I look for my web page, and make sure you are saving the type as all files. All files. Sometimes it might be here, but make sure you check all files so that everything you have in the folder will show. Then you save with index.html, which is the extension, because you are dealing on HTML for now. You see it's popping out here now. Then you come here, you type HTML, the header, make sure you first of all have all these HTML tags complete before you start putting anything inside. Open header and you are closing head. Then you come inside. This my editor is a test complete editor. That's why I like using it. But before I'll start making use of it, I want to show you what it takes to be a good website designer. You put your title. You see it. The title is there already. So what I will do is I will use my tab space on my laptop to complete it. It's there already, which is my first web page as the title. Then I will call my CSS, putting this is the internal, use your link and use your tab button to complete it again. This is what you have. This is what you have. And you call your CSS folder because that's where you are going to save it. This is your CSS folder. So make sure you call it. Then put a / to call your style. This is, I'm going to save it with style.css. You understand? So now let me make my meta character set equals to UTF-8, and before that I need to call my document, the doc type, document HTML. This is a way of showing the HTML version you are using. So I'll call the body. I'll use my tab button to complete it. Then close it, my HTML tag, HTML. Okay. Now whatever thing that I'm doing, I'll put it in the body because the body is the carrier of the message. Now I'm going to use a div attribute. Div, use your tab button to complete it. Then I'm going to add another div inside it. And this my div, I will put the class, div class container, which will contain all my design. And this is a div class top menu or header. Let me use header. So inside my header I will have div class let me use company name. So but I'm going to abbreviate it, coin name. Any name you are giving it, make sure you understand it and it rhymes with whatever thing you are going to put there. So I'm going to use another div class. I want to add my logo. Then I'll use my image attribute to call the image. You have a image dot is equals to, then I will call my image folder. It's images that I use in creating that folder. So that's the images, that's the name that I will call. Then put a / to this my logo, ghosttech.l.png, l.png. Okay, so now let me make use of head 1, which is the highest of the headers. So I use international. Then come to the end, use the list header, H6. Let's check realities. Then use my p tag p to complete it. The real difference. Okay. So I will go to the body. This is the end of the header. Div, I think so. So let me comment on this. And of header. So now I'm coming to get another div, which is div. I want to use a class. Body. Then I'll put another one, div class section. I want to make use of this section, so I want to populate in there. Instead of I will copy it and paste. I want it to be 3. So I save. This one is my index page, but we are still going to work on this page, but it will be in our next tutorial, in our next video. So watch out, stay tuned, and let us complete it for you, making use of all this.